Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So as title suggests, my updated winter skincare routine step by step. I'm going to share everything in detail. So if you are new to my channel and if you do not know, I am SIMUL. I'm sharing fashion, beauty and skincare related stuff on my channel. So if you are interested, then do hit the subscribe button and please be a part of our family. So let's start with this video. This video I'm going to share how I take care of my skin during winters. So let's start with the video. I was talking about the brand Pilgrims. Already use so many products of Pilgrims, but right now I came across with this products which is very much beneficial to my skin because I have extremely dry skin. For dry skin it's too good as I'm using it from the last 1 to 2 weeks and I just love the effects on my skin. Yes, I was talking about this product. These 3 products I'm using it for my skincare routine. Pilgrim is a brand which makes your skin healthy and hair healthy. So blindly you can trust this brand because I am using it from last so many months. So for my winter skincare routine, I am going to try these 3 products. One is lip balm, red wine face cream plus body lotion. So Pilgrim is the brand which is not just free of harmful and toxic chemicals but also uses only those ingredients that either enhance the health of your hair or your skin and also support the effectiveness of the formulation. So all these 3 products currently I'm using during my winter. So first I'm going to try this face cream. So this face cream has SPF with 30. So 30 SPF, I think it's enough for Indian skin tone, especially during winters. This is 50 gram of product, contain vitamin C and rosehip oil. This is the outer packaging of the product. I'll show you the inner packaging and it's travel friendly also. This is the inner packaging of the product and everything is written on the packaging itself. It has unique non-greasy formula which leaves your skin radiant with an even skin tone, and matte finish blends in so well with your skin without leaving any patch. It reduces your pigmentation and brightens the skin. It also protects from sun without leaving a white cast. It also suitable for dry, combination, oily and acne prone skin. Even men can use this. It has natural ingredients, no toxins, and it is chemical free, no harsh chemical. It's cruelty free, no parabens, nothing. So you can use this cream and apply it on your face and whole day you will feel moisturized. So how I apply this cream after shower, I just took this cream and I gently dot this cream all over the face and neck. After cleansing and toning, massage it in upward motion for tone look, and for the best result apply this in the morning for all day protection. So yeah. So the next step in my routine is to moisturize my lip. I'm using this bubblegum lip balm. I just love this lip balm. You can see the color. It's in peach color. It's an 8 gram of product and all the prices and everything I'll show you on the screen itself. This is bubblegum lip balm by Pilgrim and it's 100% vegan, cruelty free. Everything is written in the packaging itself. The price of the product is 225 rupees and it gives you soft lips and fuller lips. The formula is very lightweight and creamy, but the best part about this lip mask is it really nourishes my lips and makes them look soft and just hydrates my lips so well. So would highly recommend. Step in my skincare routine is my body lotion. So yes, this is again from Pilgrim that I'm using currently. Easily gets absorbed in your skin, very lightweight, contain retinol and hyaluronic acid. It says for ageless glow, but yes, I do apply it on my skin and I just see the glow on my skin. What it claims, it does. Yes, this is the 150 ml of product and the price of this product is 400 rupees. So currently I'm using this body serum lotion from Pilgrims and it deeply hydrates my skin. It has anti-aging serum. The lotion is so good that it does not lose the skin elasticity. It also smoothens your skin and every detail is written in the packaging itself. And I just take the few drops of lotion in my hand and I just apply it all over my body, and the price of this product is around 400 rupees. I'll give you everything in detail on the screen itself and use my coupon code to get extra discount. So yeah, this was my step-by-step skincare routine. I hope you just loved it, and you will get 15% discount by using this coupon code on their website. Use the coupon code, get extra 15% discount. So yes, you can get all the products on Amazon Nykaa itself. And if at all this was helpful for you guys, then do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to watch more such videos. Now I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Happy New Year. Bye.